Hello everyone, the Agent's back here again. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of AirPods 3. Now these are not mine, these are just my mom's, so I can only, and she only lets me unbox these, so yeah. So right here on the front of the box, as you can tell, we just have the AirPods. On the front back, it says AirPods with MagSafe charging case. On there it says the Apple logo. And then right here we get the just basic stuff, and these are assembled in Vietnam. That's fur first, and these are AirPods MagSafe charging case, and that says this I think in Spanish, French, Chinese, and I'm going to assume Italian, but I have no idea. So let's go ahead and let's get this open. It says Intel, just like on the iPhone 13 Pro, there's just these two tabs that you'll want to pull. And just like that, boom, we can get into the actual box. So first up, we get the Design by Apple in California manual. If we take a look at the contents inside, we get our AirPods setup guide, etc. And I think there's a cat in the house in heat. So if you hear that meowing, just ignore that. As you can tell right here, we get the actual AirPods and wrap. So let's just set these to the side as we get the Lightning USB-C cable. Can always use another one of these. I'll just put these back in the box actually. So if I can get these back in the box. Okay, and now without further ado, let's actually get into the AirPods themselves. Not get into, but just open. As you can tell, they open very nicely like this. I like these AirPods. So I'll be doing a full review of these probably sometime. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, peace out.